Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer another series of or a question that has been asked many times, and also to answer because a lot of people have commented often without even knowing what they're talking about the performance of Windows 11 versus Windows 10. So of course we come from a era of Windows that often was, each version of Windows XP to Windows Vista to Windows 7, each version was a little more bloated, bigger, asked for more resources. And that mindset has kept going on with Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. The difference is now Windows 10 and Windows 11 are, first of all, there's a lot of similarities. A big chunk of the code is the same, but also what is happening is that there are new ways now to actually optimize the system. Windows 11 has the latest in optimizing memory and optimizing the way it actually works in your system. And actually, the question that is, or even the comment that I see all the time is Windows 11 is slower than Windows 10. It is not. Windows 11 is at least as fast. It performs at least at the same level as Windows 10. If we put it on a straight, performance, I had the impression, but impressions are very different from the reality of really a big tests. And a lot of tests that have been done by companies that are, third-party companies that just do testing of different systems to just compare and are completely independent. Most of the tests seem to show that Windows 11 is at least equal, if not better, than Windows 10 in performance. So Windows 11 is not slower. Windows 11 does not hog your system more than Windows 10. If you have a Windows 10 system that runs a certain speed, Windows 11 will run at least at the same speed. There is no real difference. In general, it might even be a little faster. But that, like I said, in my case, it's maybe more an impression than anything else. In another thing about Windows 10 is the few things that also are interesting. First of all, the Windows updates are more optimized. Windows updates are faster to apply, faster to download because they are smaller. They are really much more optimized than Windows 10. That is also something that makes it faster in the update system. It has, of course, some optimization for gaming. And if you look at gaming, so in my case, I do have some games that I play for, like, Halo Infinite, for example, is one. Forza Horizon 5 is another one. These are, of course, all games that are demanding on PCs. And what happens is that you might, if there is a slowdown, if there is something that's not right, games are the first to show you that performance isn't up to par. And in my case, gaming is as good as I had on Windows 10. I don't see a difference necessarily. Is it faster or not? I can't say. It's equal. For me, it performs the same, performs as fast, and works great on gaming. And actually, when we talk about the adoption of Windows 11, one of the numbers we gave regularly is the number from Steam. And Steam, of course, has a lot of gamers there. And 90+% of all Steam users are Windows users. And so the general Steam gamers seem to find Windows 11 as good or better at gaming than Windows 10. So all of that together kind of puts us into a category where Windows 11 performs as well, works as well, and is not more bloated, doesn't have more in it. It's pretty much equal to Windows 10 at least. And it's not true that it's going to slow down your system. If some people see slowdowns, because I'm sure some do, Windows being Windows and having to work in millions of configurations, of course, probably some do, but it has more to do with the way that maybe something went wrong in the update, your drivers, or some software that's bogging down your system, not Windows itself as it is as fast. And on my system and everywhere I've tried it, I see no difference in performance. It is as fast and maybe even faster. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.